In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push from Lusha to HubSpot. By the end, you'll have Lusha connected to your HubSpot workspace so you can seamlessly move enriched data where it belongs. Start by opening your Lusha dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click the profile icon. This opens the account menu where all your workspace level settings live. From that menu, choose Integrations. This is Lusha's central place for connecting your tools, and it's where you'll enable the HubSpot connection. On the integrations page, use Browse Categories to quickly narrow things down. You'll see a set of apps and platforms grouped by function. Locate HubSpot in the list. If you're managing multiple tools, a quick search for HubSpot saves time. When you see the HubSpot card, click Connect. This begins a secure authorization flow so Lusha and HubSpot can talk to each other safely. You'll be redirected to HubSpot. Here, you can create a new HubSpot account or sign into an existing one. Choose the option that fits your setup. If you're building a fresh HubSpot environment for testing or a new team, pick the Create a New Account option. If your company already has HubSpot, sign in so the connection is tied to the right workspace. A helpful tip here: confirm you're selecting the correct HubSpot account if you have access to more than one, so data flows to the intended place. If you're creating a new account, HubSpot offers multiple sign-up methods to make it quick and secure. You can continue with Google, sign up with Microsoft, or sign up with Apple. If you prefer, you can also enter your email address directly to create your account. Pick the method your organization supports. For many teams, using the same provider you use at work keeps access consistent and can simplify permissions later. After you finish signing in or completing sign up, HubSpot will guide you through granting the necessary permissions so Lusha can create and update contacts and companies. Review the prompts, then approve to finalize the connection. When authorization completes, you'll be sent back to Lusha, and the status next to HubSpot will show that it's connected. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you have the right permissions in both Lusha and HubSpot to connect integrations, and double check you're in the correct HubSpot workspace before approving. That's it. Open Lusha, head to your profile, choose integrations, find HubSpot, connect and sign in, or create your account with your preferred method. Your systems are now ready to work together.